You study English for years, but when you speak, people notice you sound like a textbook. Today, you will learn how to sound natural and relaxed, just like native speakers. Skip one tip today, and tomorrow people will still hear you're reading from a script. Brian, do people ever tell you that you sound too formal?
Not really, but I think I do sometimes.
Right, you feel it. You know something's off. Here's the thing. Natural English uses contractions. That's the first secret. What's a contraction?
Like I'm instead of I am?
Exactly. I'm, you're, he's, she's, we're, there. Native speakers almost never say, I am going to the store. They say, I'm going to the store. It sounds friendlier, more relaxed. If you say, I am, it sounds stiff, like you're giving a speech. Try both. First, say, I am happy to meet you.
I am happy to meet you.
Now say, I'm happy to meet you.
I'm happy to meet you.
Hear the difference? The second one sounds warmer, more human. Practice this. Say, I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
Perfect. Say it again.
I'm going to the store.
Good. Now here's another one. Going to becomes gonna when we speak, not in writing, but when we talk. I'm gonna go. She's gonna call. We're gonna eat. It's everywhere. Say this. I'm gonna call you later.
I'm gonna call you later.
Excellent. Say it again.
I'm gonna call you later.
Beautiful. That's how real people talk. But there's more. Native speakers don't finish every single word perfectly. We drop sounds, especially the letter T in the middle of words. Water becomes water. Better becomes better. Little becomes little. Try it. Say water like a native speaker.
Water.
Yes, not water, just water. Now say better.
Better.
Perfect. This is called a flap T. Your tongue just taps quickly. It makes you sound smooth, not choppy. What about end of sentences? Do you finish strong?
I think so.
Sometimes learners put equal stress on every word, but natives don't. We stress important words and we reduce small words. Listen, I went to the store. The important words are went and store. The word to gets smaller. I went to the store, not I went to the store. Hear it? Say this. I went to the store.
I went to the store.
Great. Say it again.
I went to the store.
Good. Now another big one. Native speakers use filler words. When we think, we don't stay silent. We say like, you know, I mean. These aren't mistakes. They're natural. They show you're thinking. You're human. If you never use them, you sound robotic.
So I should say,
Sometimes, yeah, not every sentence, but if someone asks a question and you need a second, say, let me think. That's normal, or that's like really interesting. Native speakers say like a lot, especially young people. It's casual, but don't overdo it.
Okay, so a little bit is good.
Exactly. A little bit is natural, too much sounds sloppy. Balance. Here's another trick. Don't always answer with complete sentences. If someone asks, did you eat lunch? You don't have to say, yes, I ate lunch. Just say, yeah, I did. Or even just, yeah. Short answers sound confident.
That's easier, actually.
Right? You're already doing less work. Native speakers are efficient. We cut extra words. Do you want to go? Becomes want to go. Did you eat yet? Becomes eat yet. We drop the beginning sometimes. It's fast, it's casual. Say this. Wanna go?
Wanna go?
Perfect. Say it again.
Wanna go?
Good. Now here's something subtle. Native speakers don't always use perfect grammar in conversation. We start sentences and change direction. We interrupt ourselves. We add thoughts. That's real talking. Listen, I was thinking we could, I don't know, maybe grab coffee or something? That's how real people sound. Not polished, not rehearsed, just natural.
So mistakes are okay?
They're not even mistakes. They're features of natural speech. If you sound too perfect, people think you memorized something. They want to hear you think out loud. Another thing, we use yeah more than yes. Yes sounds formal, official. Yeah sounds friendly. Yeah, totally. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, definitely. These phrases make you sound native.
Yeah, I get it.
See? You just did it. That sounded natural. Now, tone matters too. Native speakers go up and down with their voice. We're not flat. When we're excited, our voice goes up. When we're serious, it goes down. When we ask questions, usually up at the end. Try asking this with rising tone. You coming?
You coming?
Good. Your voice went up. That's a question. Now say it flat, like a statement.
You coming?
Right. First one was a question, second one sounded weird. Tone changes meaning. One more thing. We often add little words at the end for friendliness, right? You know? Yeah? These invite the other person in. It's cold today, right? You're not really asking, you're just being friendly. Say this. It's cold today, right?
It's cold today, right?
Perfect. That sounds like a real conversation. Now let's practice everything together. I'll ask you a question, you answer naturally. Use contractions, fillers, whatever feels right. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good. You said I'm. Nice. Okay, what'd you do this weekend?
I just stayed home, watched some movies. Nothing special.
Perfect. You said you said just, you kept it short. That's exactly how natives talk. You didn't say, I stayed at home and I watched movies. You made it natural. You're already doing it. So here's the truth. Sounding natural isn't about perfect pronunciation. It's about rhythm, contractions, fillers, short answers, and not being afraid to sound casual. When you relax, you sound real. So my question for you is, what's one English phrase you use all the time? Share it in the comments, and if this helped, subscribe for more tips.
See ya!